Hello students, welcome you all in your English class. Students, in the last video we have just finished our first chapter, and next today we will study about a poem which is The Raindrops. I would request my all the students to please keep your books in front of you so that you can understand your poem very well. Okay? So I am reading the poem for you and you just keep your English book in front of you. The poem is The Raindrops. Okay? So poem is: pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. This was the poem when this is the poem about raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter means when the raindrops falling on the ground, जब वो जमीन पे गिरती हैं raindrops, तो छप छप की आवाज होती है, छपाक की थप थप की आवाज होती है. That is pitter patter. Pitter patter is sound of a raindrop when they fall from the sky. Pitter patter. This is the sound of raindrops. Raindrops जब sky से जमीन पे गिरती हैं तो छप छप की आवाज होती है. That is pitter patter. Raindrops sky से गिरती है ना बूंदे. Falling from the sky. Falling means गिर रही हैं. कहाँ गिर रही हैं? From sky. कहाँ से आती हैं बूंदे? आसमान से बूंदे गिरती हैं. Falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella. And the boy is taking his umbrella. उसने क्या लिया हुआ? एक umbrella लिया हुआ है. Why he has taken the umbrella? To keep me safe and dry. उसके पास एक umbrella है. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. umbrella हमें क्या रखता है? rain से safe रखता है and dry. dry means जिससे हम बारिश में अगर हमारे पास umbrella ना हो तो हम भीग जाएंगे, और अगर हमारे पास umbrella हो तो हम dry रहेंगे. dry means सूखे, मतलब हम भीगेंगे नहीं, है ना. dry means सूखा. और अगर हम भीग जाएंगे तो कैसे हो जाएंगे? wet. wet means भीगना. wet means भीगना. okay? So here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. मेरे पास umbrella है जो मुझे क्या कर रहा है? safe रखता है and dry. dry means सूखा. When the rain is over. over means जब rain बंद हो गई, खत्म हो गई, यानी जब बारिश बंद हो गई. and the sun begins to glow. और जब sun glow करने लगा, सूरज चमकने लगा. the little flowers start to bud. flowers क्या होने लगे? खिलने लगे, bud करने लगे. start to bud, खिलने लगे. and grow and grow and grow. और वो बढ़ने लगे. grow means बढ़ना. clear? उनमें growth होने लगी, वो बढ़ने लगे. little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. little flowers जो छोटे छोटे flowers होते हैं, buds होते हैं, वो क्या होने लगे? खिलने लगे. and grow और grow करने लगे, बढ़ने लगे. yeah? so this was the poem. you must keep your book in front of you, and I would request to learn this poem. okay? so next we have the exercise of this poem. Open the exercise which is on page number 12. On the page number 12 we have the exercise of this poem. You will get solution of this exercise by the PDF also. What happens when the sun begins to glow? जब sun glow करने लगा. when the rain is over. जब rain over हो गई and sun glow करने लगा तो क्या क्या चीजें होने लगी थी? the flowers begins to bud, but it rains, it becomes cold and the flowers grow. so flower begins to bud. flower क्या होने लगे? खिलने लगे. and the flowers grow. यानी first and fourth option is correct. okay? this is the exercise is on page number 12. okay? next exercise we have write one word answer. what is falling from the sky? sky से क्या नीचे आ रहा है? What is falling from the sky? Raindrops. पोयम में क्या नीचे आ रहा है स्काई से? Raindrops. What sound do the raindrops make? और raindrops के sound कैसे हैं? Raindrops किस तरह के sound कर रहे हैं? Pitter patter. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Yeah. What keeps the child safe and dry? Safe और dry किसकी वजह से है child बारिश में? Umbrella. 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 Here. So this was the exercise B. Next exercise we have exercise number C. We have some fillers here. And we have to fill in the blanks on the basis of given hint. हमें hint दिया गया है, उसके basis पे हमको fill करना है. Clear? So first one we have, हमें बताना है what is the answer. A person who flies an aeroplane. जो aeroplane fly करता है, उड़ाता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Pilot plane उड़ाते हैं ना. A person who made shoes. Shoes बना हुआ है. Shoes कौन बनाते? Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. We have studied the poem. Cobbler, cobbler, make my shoe. Poem पढ़ी है ना. Next third we have a person who bakes. Cakes दिए गए हैं, biscuits दिए गए हैं. Who bakes this? Bakers. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. B-A-K-E-R. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. And B-A-K-E-R. Baker. Okay. Next exercise. Exercise number D. We have. I'm going to erase this. You will get all these by PDF also. Exercise number D we have. Take the correct words to complete these sentences. We have given three options, two options, out of which we have to select one option. We read poem to. Poem हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमें क्या होती है? Sleep या enjoy. Enjoy करने के लिए हम poems पढ़ते हैं ना, या सोने के लिए पढ़ते हैं? First 8. Enjoy. So we will take enjoy. Enjoy पे टिक करेंगे. Next we have raindrops fall from the. स्कूल से आती है raindrop या sky से? Sky से आती है ना. So टिक before sky. Sky के सामने हम टिक करेंगे. And the next, an umbrella keeps me dry or wet. Wet means गीला and dry means सूखा. So umbrella हमें क्या रखता है? Dry or wet? Dry. Okay, so we will take dry. Next we have when the rain stops, the sun shine or blooms. Sun क्या करता है? Shines. Buds grow into. Buds means कलियां, छोटी छोटी कलियां जब बड़ी होती है तो क्या बनती है? Flower. We will take flowers. So first option we have enjoy, sky, dry, shines and flowers. Okay, and this was the poem and its exercises. Next we will discuss the next story, Thank You Friend, which is a story about 4 friends. Okay class, thank you.